Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable low data mode on Mac. When this option is enabled, then it uses more network data, but it also reduces the speed of your data. So if you want a higher speed and you are not worried about using too much data, then click on the Apple logo in top left corner, then System Settings, and now go to either network, Wi-Fi. Let's go to Wi-Fi. Then I'm gonna connect to a network. Then go to Details. And now in Details, you can see the low data mode and you can enable or disable it. Then hit on OK. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.